In this video, I will show you how to subtract in Excel. So very easy and way. So very easy and simple way. Firstly, type your number. So you want to subtract this number from this cell. So equal. So equal sign. Select this number. Then minus sign. Press hyphen on your keyboard. Then select the second cell. Then press enter. So this way you can subtract. Same equal sign, select first number, minus sign, then second number, press enter. And if you have a large number column, you can use drag and drop option. So in the first cell, equal sign, select this first column number, minus sign, then this second one, press enter. Now drag and drop like this. So thanks for watching.